Welcome to Panipat railway station, a transportation hub in the state of Haryana. But what if I told you that this station wasn't accessible to everyone? For years, people with disabilities faced numerous challenges while using this station. But that's all changed now. Anuprayaas, in association with Standard Chartered Bank and Enable India, we have installed various accessibility features, including braille maps, braille booklets, braille signs, water booth signs, platform indicators, and portable ramps. These features have made a world of difference for people with disabilities, allowing them to navigate the station with ease. This project was made possible by the support of Standard Chartered Bank and Enable India. Their commitment to inclusivity and accessibility has made a real difference in the lives of people with disabilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.